What's up everyone, this is Jet from Pen and Journal. Welcome back again. Apologies for the long leave of absence. I'm in a transitioning phase of my life. There's a lot of things going on, but nevertheless, today we are going to go through an update of my traveler's notebook system rather. This is my planning system. I have a few other notebooks for my Bible devotions, so on and so forth. But today we're going to go through this, right? So let's get straight into it. So this is my Travelers Company Travelers Notebook in the camel color. This is the standard size. The elastic is not from the official company, but this is something I think I got this from AliExpress. The original elastic is simply worn out, so I got this replaced. I love the contrasting colors of the red to the camel brown, and you can see that over the years the notebook has patina up very well. I believe I got this in 2025 around the COVID period, and I'm just loving the patina of the cover. Right, so very quickly opening up, I have my first insert. This is the Ziploc clear folder insert. Over here you can see I have some random stuff in it. If you will, I'll just bring it up for you all to see. Some bookmarks, some gospel tracts, I have my washi tape, some stickers, and we have some page sticker tabs and some paper clips. And this is from one of the children in my school. It's a farewell gift to me. Loving it. I think I'll keep this with me and use it despite the color. Well, right, okay, then we go on to the next insert. So this insert is, okay, going to get rid of this hardcover board here first. Right, so this insert is my planning insert, my Bujo insert. It's custom made, it's customized specifically for myself. This is I call it the version 2. I have the version 1, which I love a lot, and I've tweaked that version to this latest version. I have the link in the description box below. Feel free to download it and use it for your own use. Right, it is very simple, but you do need some skills in terms of cutting paper, cutting books. So the tools you need for this, if you choose to print it in A4 size paper, will be, you need a rubber mat, a metal ruler, a paper cutter, a long arm stapler, one that can preferably staple up to 50 sheets at one go. Right, so you need to be a little bit handy with tools like this. So maybe I'll have a video for this, but that'll be for another time. So just to go through this insert with you, on the first page, as you can see, I started this on the 1st of October. That is very recent. You have your typical Bujo keys. I customized it a little bit for my own self. On the next page, we have 2 spreads of lined paper. Right, this is where I put my I'll jot down the people that I've met and their names, because I want to remember their names the next time I meet them. And then moving on, we have our calendar overview for 2025 as well as 2026. So we are at the tail end of 2025, and over here you can see there's a lot of appointments for my mom. Right, so what I do is I'll just color code it, and then I have a quick overview of different appointments in the different hospitals. Turning the page, we have our future log. So this insert is being customized to just 6 months. So you can see we have a 6-month future log spread here. This October, November. I haven't filled up the rest yet, but you get the point. Right, so moving on, we have our monthly spread. And the way I like to customize it is I love to have more real estate for a day, so I can write down my to-do list, notes, so on and so forth. Over here you can see that the spread itself is undated, so you can actually print this in the future and it will not be outdated. So feel free once again to just print and download for your own personal use, right? So we have the month, and then we have the habit tracker here, just a very simple single habit tracker. You can see that the spread goes from day 1 to day 16, and you need to fill in the actual day itself, right? It's very self-explanatory. Moving on to the next spread, we are continuing from day 17 all the way to the 31st day of the month, if applicable. And the last row here, we have a generic notes space for you to write. So 1 month is basically just 2 spreads or 4 pages, and this will cover for 6 months, right? All these pages will cover for 6 months, and then the rest of the notebook literally is just line pages with the last page for reflections. So over here, I will tend to fill this up with prayer request, and my prayer system is that for every single day, or rather for every single weekday, Monday to Friday, I have a prayer category for every day. For Monday it will be family, for Tuesday will be the ministry in Philippines, Wednesday we have friends, Thursday we have church, my local church, Friday we have my local ministries, and then following that I will have prayer list or prayer request that I want to list down generic prayer requests in the pages as shown over here, right? I haven't really all the information from my previous journal to here, right? Still have a few transitioning to do, things to write in, but you get the idea. So this is the first notebook insert, right? On the other side, we have the other side of the clear zipper pouch. You can see here I have my pen loop. This is an elastic pen loop glued with super glue and then strengthened and strengthened with just fabric sticky tape. The pen itself, a very simple Muji 0.5 black pen. I'm loving it. Very reliable. Nothing fanciful. It just works. Right over here, I got some random stuff in this zipper, the other side of the zipper pouch. And just a quick side note, if you're into fountain pens, you can check out this. This is actually parchment paper or tracing paper. And I noticed that when you write on it, the way the ink is being showcased, right? It is beautiful. And I just love how it looks. So moving on, we have the Sensor notebook. And this is my daily journal where I journal my thoughts, random stuff, gratitude thoughts, right? This is just like a diary. And the last insert, very simply, is a mind map or my brain dump insert. This is where I do my mind mapping. This is where I do my decompressing, random notes, what have you, right? It's a new insert. I haven't really filled it up yet. But this is the last book or the last insert of my system. Right, so you can see it's a very simple system that works for me. And to be honest, since the last post, right, you can see that my system is evolving over time. I may change things up as I go along, but so far I find that this really works for me. I really enjoy the system itself, enjoying the notebook itself. So this is my update. So once again, if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Once again, thank you so much guys for supporting this channel. It really blesses me. It really encourages me. Please do leave down your comments below what you want to see in future videos. Thank you once again for all the support. Love you guys, and I see you guys in the next one.